back, freak. So today we are going to be making chicken parmesan. Ah!
I'm gonna run through the ingredients today. I'm rocking Panko, Parmesan. I wish I had the fresh stuff. I don't. I'm a lazy piece of shit. You got your puree, tomato puree. You got your Italian breadcrumbs, onion, salt, parsley, chicken breasts, and probably some olive oil. We're gonna take 2 chicken breasts and we're going to slice them vertically down, make them 4 fillets. Make sure to give the meat a good slap for good luck, and because this is YouTube, it's your tradition. I don't make the rules. Try your best to slice the chicken breast into equal fillets. I know it's easier said than done, especially if you have the nice skills that I possess, but why do we fall, Bruce? A little Batman Begins throwback for you. Now we want to make sure the egg bath used for adhesion is full of flavor. This is an underrated step in my opinion for frying chicken for any type of meal that you're making. I personally like to use a little bit of minced garlic, salt, and pepper, but you can experiment with other flavor enhancers as well. I'm sure there's some crazy bastard out there using wasabi. I wouldn't recommend, but I respect the commitment. Once you get these bad boys bathed, we will wrap them up and let them marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. You could let them chill out in the fridge for a full day, but I'm not going to be that patient. Alright, while the chicken is on vacation, we can start prepping for the tomato sauce and breadcrumb coating. Make your way over to the stovetop and get ready to make some crisp tomato sauce. Now I don't want to scare you guys, but this could make or break your meal. Once these are translucent, a couple minutes, maybe 4 to 5, depending on how high you have the heat. We're just gonna add the puree. Give it some good stirs and zoom in so that people can really see what we're working with. Nice. Hit it with a classic combo of dried basil and dried oregano. Let me introduce you to the real star of the sauce, red wine vinegar. A little goes a long way, but this stuff really adds a lot of tang, which reduces the need for a lot of salt. Come on, just drizzle it in, you won't regret it. I like to add a little brown sugar to it. It adds a little sweetness, not too much.
2 shots of vodka.
Stir it some more until the sugar completely melts, and now you've got yourself some sweet and tangy. The only thing left is to get a little more salt in there and complete the sauce. If you find the sauce too acidic, you can add some additional butter or olive oil to help balance it out. A little more fat and oil will also help carry the flavor. Tasting your sauce is very important as you go along as well. The sauce is complete, now we can let it simmer for a while we make our coating mixture for the chicken. The mixture is just a combo of panko Italian breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, salt, parsley, and ground pepper. Once it's all mixed up and it's looking smooth, it's time to take the chicken out of the fridge. Dip it in, take it out, baptize it once again, put it back in the mixture, and repeat for the other fillets. We double coat the chicken in the breadcrumb mixture to ensure an extra crispy crust. Bring some oil up to high heat and fry the absolute out of the chicken. Make sure to flip once each side becomes nice golden brown and crisps up. Alright, time to smother the fried chicken and the sauce prepared. At this point, you should be making those you're preparing this for get hyped. The aroma in the kitchen should be insane, and I'm getting jacked up thinking about placing some mozzarella on top in these next few scenes. Top them all off with some extra parsley for the aesthetic and extra earthy flavor. While it's finishing in the oven, proceed to start boiling some pasta as the base for the meal. I like to use thinner noodles such as angel hair, but use whatever you prefer. Just make sure that water is salty. Once the pasta is to your liking, take some of that delicious salty and starchy water and add it to your sauce. This will add some smoothness and saltiness while also adding a little bit extra flavor. Mix the pasta with the sauce, and it's about time to plate this chicken parm up.
Okay, so this is the finished look. This is finished product. Oh my god.
Alright guys, well, I think that about does it for this video. If you liked the video, make sure to like us and comment, tell us all the good things you liked about the video.
Give a thumbs up.
Oh yeah, all that jazz, all the good stuff. I'm not going to berate you, but here we go. We'll see you around, and hopefully come back for more.